Does, does meditation play a role in helping us to perform action?
Meditation can play the role in this manner. What kind of meditation? You should meditate on what we talked. Meditate upon what impulses you have, identify the impulses, and what actually attitude you should have. You meditate on that. What are the right attitudes? You can meditate like this. You can review your principal actions that you're going to perform today and tell your mind what kind of an attitude I'm going to have, how I can be a contributor, how I can be a compassionate person. So meditation means what? Not meditation means just general, specific meditation. On this teaching will prepare us to do the things of the day. Meditation, if it is meant to help us living our life effectively, then meditation should be such as helps us live the life. What are the impulses I have? How to overcome them? So this introspection and meditation can help in what we discussed today. Meditation of different kinds. Meditation can be also a mental prayer. Meditation can be mental worship. Meditation can be of different other kinds. But this is one kind of meditation where you are observing your mind and identifying different tendencies and diffusing them by the. In the evening, you can again meditate for 15 minutes and review the activities of the day. And where did you become controlled by kama, krodha, lobha, what happened? And educate the mind that when a similar situation comes, what you should do. So this meditation involving introspection and analysis would be a meditation that will be helpful in our day-to-day life.